Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to design a round logo with an ellipse to get something like this. So let's get started. Draw an ellipse like this. Double click on these corner discs and duplicate the ellipse to intersect one another. Select the freehand tool and draw a straight line across the ellipse, locating its center. Use the Smart Fill tool to fill the region. Delete other object. Now, apply the fountain fill to the object by pressing the keyboard G. Add your preferred color. Then copy the same shape aside. Double click to scale object. Drag the pointer down to this point and scale the ellipse to 300 degrees. Click on right button to drop a copy. Then use Ctrl+R key to have multiple duplicates. Do the same to the other shape, but this time change the color. Now, intersect the two objects. Use Shift plus click multi-select on the second object. Press C to center it and press E to align the objects. To have the bottom reflection, highlight all the objects and group it. Drag the object from top to bottom like this and convert this object to bitmap. Select the transparency tool and apply it this way. And that is all for this video. In case if you have any question, drop it in the comment section below, and please like this video, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me a super thanks. The button is down below. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in my next video. Peace.